In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you gradually swipe down your iPhone screen, right, there's a app control feature here that is called the Do Not Disturb. So hold on it firmly. Once it has come up right now, you can see the Do Not Disturb. Once you click on it, you're going to silence all the notifications, right? Once you on it, and once you off it, you're going to change everything back to normal, right? And if I click on this three dotted icon, you can turn on the Do Not Disturb, let's say for 1 hour, right? Once you click on it, Do Not Disturb is on for 1 hour. If you click on until this evening, it's going to be on till the evening, right? So you can still just turn it off right here. You can just turn it off, right? Then if you click on this icon, you're going to click on the settings as well. Right now on the settings, you're going to be getting some notifications, right? Do Not Disturb, allow notifications for some people, right? You can turn off the notification for some people. If you have the contact, click on this add right now, so I can select any contact I want, right, and turn off the notifications from them, right? Then you can also allow calls from everybody, allowed people, favorite contacts only. Then you can turn this off as well if you want, right? So this is basically how you can use the Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. Also, another thing is you can also set a schedule, right? So you can set a time if you want, any time of the day. You can just add the schedule right here, add the time you want, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you find this video helpful. There's some other cool settings here you can explore as well, ranging from the show unlock screen, hide notification badges, all this, right? So this is basically how it works. Let me know if you guys find this video helpful. I'll see you on the very next video.